boy.
Boy, Cody's tearing that thing up, ain't he?
Women, enjoy that.
Pokemon, an umbrella. Who gets you that? Because I'm going to kick their butts.
Oh, what's wrong with that?
He
Anything,
hits me with all the umbrellas he gets.
anything that has to do with Pokemon, I got it.
I figured that.
This is nice.
That's from my mom.
Is this what you have, Alethea?
Here, this is from mom.
Oh, you put it outside?
Oh, bless
This is
you.
yours.
This is what you put candles in here. Pikachu. Is that his name?
Yeah, that's his name. It's the only one he knows.
Oh, look at that.
What'd you get, Jennifer?
That's beautiful. The thing that she has up in her house.
Well, I didn't see it. Oh, the candle thing.
Well, let's see.
It's cool.
Where's the big bag for trash?
What?
Game!
Oh,
Pokemon game?
Well, that's dinner. That's for dinner, Tyler.
You know what?
Oh, it's for
Here.
dinner. It's for you eating your dinner.
uh-oh. Oh, well, gee, thank you.
Here, honey.
Yeah, I don't want to catch him left outside, Kiwi. Is this for me or Tyler? Is this for me or Tyler?
Oh,
I had we.
Pokemon!
I had. I think Tyler's got
You want
one
to know its
too.
name? Yeah.
What's that?
It's my
Cider.
favorite
A
card. of
cider.
mine. Mine too.
Cider.
Hey. But I want
It's a
somebody
cider.
to
Cody.
too.
Yours, Cody.
She's like, what is that?
That smells good.
Here. Get it.
What is it?
Go get mine. It's a perfume.
I'm going to get you some.
Get you some of that. Wow. Yes, sir. You got some. What is it?
Sweat outfit.
Get you some.
Wow.
Yes, sir.
Oh, God. He opened that?
Look at that. Yeah.
I was hoping they'll take a better store.
Look at him trying to get that paper, Kiwi.
Look, you got it. Get it up. Yeah,
Jennifer, what? Look at your son. He's trying so hard to get that paper.
get you some.
Thank you.
Here, open these up quick.
Well,
Just, did you turn it off?
no.
Hopefully it'll fit.
Say that again, because it didn't get on the video.
Look, Tyler. What's that?
Where's the water? Is it for me?
No. Don't you think